Hello everyone, Dajahao. My name is Johannes. My Chinese name is Wechengwa. Today, we are at the second-hand machinery equipment of Ube Haitui equipment. There is a lot of used equipment as you can see, including excavators, bulldozers, graders, and loaders. Let's focus today on the protagonist, Haitui bulldozer, HD16MS. This HD16MS is a mechanical super wetland bulldozer produced in 2019. The rated power of this bulldozer is 120 kilowatts. It has high efficiency working under soft soil, swamps, and sticky geological conditions. The blade capacity of this bulldozer is 3.58 metric cube. There is 4 top roller and 14 bottom roller to support this machine. The number of traction is 44 in total. After presenting you our bulldozer, now we are at the end of our video. If you have any interest, please contact me.